Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Corsair 4000D Airflow mid-tower PC case with tempered glass side panels, dust filters, two 120mm fans, removable SSD trays, HDD trays, solid state panel and front bezel. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product, how we can use it, install all the parts at this PC case. Screws, you can remove the back panel. And the same, you can remove the glass, tempered glass panel. I like it. We have screws here if you want to remove these two for installing any other hardware. Dust filter, just pull that and remove. It is for the power supply. Let's see some accessories here. All the connections. HDD removal tray. Another one here, two. You can install 3.5mm or 2.5mm HDD or SSD. Cable management. Around. Here we have in this two tray for installing SSD drive. Cable management here with zip ties, here around. I can say it is about 3 cm gap here. Very convenient, you can fit all your cables. Now at the top you can remove this magnetic mesh. And of course you can install fans or water cooling radiator with the fans. It's very easy to install. Corsair logo here, this fabric. Now let's see, at the base we have rubber feet, 4 rubber feet. Very easy to install the drive trays. At the front you can just pull that and remove. Very easy. Another mesh at the front, pull that and remove. Dust filter. And at the front we have the 120mm fan. And again, it's so easy, magnetic. These 4 are fitting here, just press and it will lock. So easy. I like the design of the front. Now let's see. Here it is the power button. USB 3.0 Type A, USB 3.1 Type C port, audio, microphone and the reset button. Now we can see the 120mm fan, 3-pin connection, and here you can remove all these 7 screws and you can install your graphics card, whatever you want. Very easy, just remove these screws. And here we have a gap. You can do some cable management around. You can remove and that if you want this plastic inside here, and you can install water cooling. I will do that. At the back I have forget, you can install here the power supply obviously. Here it is the connections for the audio, Type-C USB, and we have the connection for the power LED, positive negative, power here, SW, and the reset. All the connections are here, very easy to install at the motherboard. Let's see what else we have at the box. Zip ties and many screws. Screws for the motherboard, for the HDD drives, solid drives, for the fans, washers, everything are included. And for a cable management, I like that. And let's take a closer look at the PC case. At the motherboard I have connected the front panel, the USB-A, LED, power and reset. And here it is and the Type-C. I like the cable management, and at the front we can see this gap, and at the back it has enough space for cable management. It is 3 cm the gap. I think all the cables are fit very well even for a demanding user, for the CPU, motherboard, HDD, 5 fans, graphic card, front panel and water cooling. This PC case is impressive for his size because it can fit all the hardware so easy. And don't forget to watch my other videos about this PC build. That's why hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.